Bears are masters of conservation, especially during winter. To survive months without food, they lower their heart rate, breathing, and metabolism in a state known as torpor. Unlike true hibernators, they can wake up if disturbed and will often emerge briefly during warmer periods. During torpor, bears rely entirely on their fat reserves, losing up to 30% of their body weight. Females even give birth during this time, nursing their tiny cubs with nutrient-rich milk while still in a deep sleep. This remarkable adaptation showcases the bear's ability to endure harsh winters with minimal energy. Enjoyed the video? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious content like this knowledge cookie.